Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we working on a Murray Select riding lawnmower. It has a 18.5 horse Briggs Stratton intake engine. They said they put a new spark plug in it, new fuel filter, and it just wants to pop on choke and that's it. So we're probably just gonna clean the gas tank out, take the carburetor apart, clean up so we can't get it going. So hope you enjoy the video. Well, let's start by taking the top cover off the engine so we can get to the carburetor. Take this off here first. These are 3/8 head bolts. There's one on each side. And we got 2 bolts up front and 2 in back. On the ones in the back, there's no room for a drill or something. I take these out by hand. There's a little 1/4-inch head screw right there we gotta take out. There, now we can get to the carburetor. Need a 7/16 air elbow off. Okay, gotta take the fuel line off. We'll let this gas drain out in a can, but I'm just gonna put a fuel shut on off on it right now. And rock this back and forth to break the seal, so you don't tear the hose. Okay, now we need a 5/16 to take them 2 carburetor bolts out. And let's unplug this fuel shutoff solenoid. And don't lose this gasket. Pop this choke linkage off. And the governor linkage. And the spring. Let's go over, take it to the table, and tear it apart and see what's wrong with it. Okay, this is a Nicky carburetor. Let's go ahead and put a mark. So I know which way it goes back on. It actually looks pretty clean, actually. But these Nickies are so temperamental. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in the cleaner. Clean it up and put it back together and see what happens. There could be like a little air passageway or something that's blocked. I really don't care for them Nickies because the float assembly and all that stuff's all plastic. But we'll stick it in the cleaner here. Clean it up, put it together, and see what happens. Stick it in here. Well, I'll do it for about 15 minutes. When it's done with that, we'll come back and we'll put it together. Okay, just got it out of the cleaning solution. Alright, pop this O-ring off here. Set it in there because it's a lot easier to push it in there and keep it on that piece. Make sure it fits in there nice and square. Don't knock it off with your big fingers like me. Press it on there. I just don't like these carburetors. They're so temperamental. Okay, let's take it back over to the lawnmower and put it back on and see what happens. Go ahead and attach the spring for the governor linkage. Then our choke linkage. So there are two bolts through here, so we can set that gasket on there. Let's plug in that fuel shutoff solenoid in the bottom of the carburetor. On the throttle, make sure the choke works and everything. Make sure nothing's bound up. We'll grab our air intake elbow. And put our vent tube back on. I gotta drain the gas next. Forgot to drain the gas. So let me drain the gas and we'll come back to it. Well, I guess I can put the cover on. That's not gonna be in the way. I can't forget to put this little screw in here. Get them tightened up. Starter front too. Got a walnut in there. I want to put a new filter on that. They didn't put a new air filter on there. And I'm gonna put a new fuel filter on there too. But let me drain the gas and be right back. Okay, I got new gas in there, premium. Put a new fuel filter on there, new air filter. So well, it seems to run pretty good. Hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.